So you somehow scored RME Fireface and you're rocking Linux machine. You check the RME website for drivers? Nothing. Mac and Windows only. Can you still make this fancy box sing? Yes, you can. You will not get the official TotalMix software, that's fine. Switch the interface into standalone mode and move on with your life. But there's good news. You still get every input, every output, the built-in EQ, the gates, the compressors, and something that TotalMix never dreamed of: sidechain compression. Carla is your new audio playground. She lets you connect anything to anything, drop plugins wherever you want, tweak them, save the whole crazy setup as one file. You can even run her as your main audio server. Honestly? Yes. Carla gives you more power and flexibility than TotalMix ever did. Sorry RME, but the open source queen just stole the show. I am running this on Ubuntu Studio. It comes loaded with audio plugins and codecs like a kid who raided Candy Isle. Perfect if you love multimedia. Do you have to switch distros? No. You can install everything in your current flavor. It just takes a few extra minutes of hunting packages. Worth it though. Now, Carla has one tiny personality flaw. Every single time you open a project, all your nodes forget where they live on the canvas and bunch up like scared puppies. Solution? RaySession. RaySession remembers where you left everything. It's like Carla, but with actual memory. One day the Carla team will fix this, maybe, hopefully. Today's not that day. Carla is not perfect. Sometimes the connections refuse to load correctly, you saved everything, reopen the project, and suddenly your audio is playing on a monitor node instead of a capture node. But the freshly started app latches onto the capture node where there is no signal to speak of. It's like software is deliberately hiding the sound from you. How rude. No worries. QjackCtl rides in to save the day like Jack Sparrow. Open QjackCtl, go to the patch bay, left side is your audio sources, right side is where you want your sound to go. You can even use regex to catch those sockets that love to festoon their names with random numbers. Save that patch, make sure it's active, let it run in the background, it quietly watches everything and plugs the cables back in every time you launch your apps. Beautiful. You can even throw this whole setup into a systemd service so it boots automatically. Set it once, forget it forever. Is this elegant? Not really. It's more like glorious Linux jank, but it works. Could the Carla developers fix the node positions and the stubborn connections? Absolutely. Will they do it soon? Maybe. It's 2026 and we're still waiting. Still, this free software stack lets you run a high-end audio interface that officially has zero Linux support. Is this ready for a big professional studio? Probably not. But for your home studio, gaming, streaming or YouTube production, it's more than enough. It actually sounds fantastic. So now you know, go make some noise and don't get captured.